Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of video editing with one of the most versatile and user-friendly apps out there, InShot. Launch the Play Store app, search for InShot Video Editor app, then click Install. Following installation of the Open InShot app, here is how the interference appears. You may observe the app's interference. Setting options are located on the right upper side. In the middle, there are three alternatives. The first one is video editing, the second is photo editing, and the third is collage. And at the bottom, you have the opportunity to download elements for your video. Now, select Video and click on New, and there is Open Your Video on Mobile. Now you pick clips here, and the interference looks like this. Your video editing options are shown below. The first option is Canvas, where you can choose the video ratio. The second choice is Music, which allows you to upload music from your device, apply effects, and record a voice. Text, stickers, and filters are the next options. After you just review all of the alternatives, you may navigate through them all with ease. This brings the introduction to a close. We go into more detail on editing in the InShot app in the upcoming video. Thank you for viewing, and please subscribe for more videos.